everybody, Jamie at shopmask.com. Welcome to another Mask Minute. So if you have problematic skin, meaning you have a tendency to get breakouts or pimples, then this product that I'm going to show you today could be a good addition to your routine. It's called the Skin Concentrate BHA by Baxter of California. So as the name implies, it contains a BHA, specifically salicylic acid, which is the key ingredient. Salicylic acid is great at helping to improve your complexion. It'll help to clear it up, unclog the pores, just overall make your skin look clearer and brighter. In addition to the salicylic acid, it does contain some other things like vitamin E and caffeine, which are going to help to reduce fine lines and also calm down any sort of irritation you have. So it does a few different things, which is great. It is intended to be used as a pre-moisturizer, meaning you would almost use it like a serum before you apply your moisturizer. It's just like a lightweight gel. I'll show you the consistency there as it runs off my hand. It's kind of runny. So you would just rub it on your hands like that, apply it to your face, and then put on your moisturizer. It can also be used as a spot treatment. So if you have a specific area on your face where you're having a breakout or where you have a tendency to have a breakout, you can just put it on that specific area and it'll help to treat that. So it's almost like an acne, it can be used like an acne spot treatment. So yeah, check it out, the Baxter Skin Concentrate BHA on shopmask.com and of course in our store in Vancouver. Thanks for listening.